How to clear Safari history on iPhone. Open the Safari app on your iPhone. Tap the book icon at the bottom of the screen. Now tap the clock icon to view your browsing history. Tap the clear button at the bottom right corner. Choose the time range you want to delete. For example, today or all time. Tap Clear History to delete it from Safari. But keep in mind, this doesn't erase your search history from Google itself. To clear your Google history, go to google.com in Safari. Tap on your profile icon at the top right. Then tap on Manage your Google account. Now go to the Data and Privacy tab at the top. Scroll down and tap on Web and App Activity. Tap Manage all web and app activity to view your full activity history. Tap the Delete button and choose a range like Last Day, All Time, or Custom Range. Tap your selection to confirm and delete your Google activity. You can also set it to auto-delete every 3 months if you want. Once you've done that, your history will be cleared from both Safari and Google.